Alright guys, so I'm still here at Movenpick Resorts in Spa Boracay. It's already 6:45 p.m. And actually, ayan, with me is Finding Gia. Gia, wee. They move it from 10 p.m. going to the time slot of 2:30 a.m. So that's why our transport is going to be moved as well. So what we availed to have a seamless transfer is Southwest Tours transfers from the hotel going to Calibo Airport. Remember when I went from Katiklan Airport going to Boracay Island, I wasn't able to avail the Southwest transfers via Klook. But instead, I availed the Boracay iPass, which was seamless as well. But to ensure that we had the best comfort this time, going to Calibo Airport with Team Fighting Gia and with a lot of baggages, we opted to book via Klook with the with the hotel going to Calibo Airport transfer. Thank you. Ito, Southwest Tours. Let's go. Ano bag? Thank you po. Thank you. Alright, yung bag. Tayo lang. Exclusive. Woo! Kami lang nag-occupy. That's one advantage when you avail Southwest. Maybe it's just a coincidence.
Or baka may pupunta pa iba.
Baka may pupunta pa iba. Kami unang pinick up. So let's see. Let's go! Calibo International Airport Boracay shared transfer. 900 per pax yan, guys. Ang pinili ko ay shared hotel to airport, no minimum participant. Yan yung pinakamura nila. You can book this via Klook. Ang flight namin kasi is 2 a.m. So ang pinakahuling transfer nila is 7 p.m. So let's go. Rating mo dito. Gia! By Dimol Boracay. Let's go. So first ride is their bus. Kami lang nakasakay so far. Kasi ito na yung last ride. 7 p.m. Kasi nga madaling araw pa yung biyahe namin. Makikita nyo naman sa details dun sa Klook. Ayun o, kami lang nakasakay. Uy, ito yung ano. Ay, di ko alam. So yun, after punta kami sa Cagban Port. And then dapat, ang expectation is that wala na kaming babayaran na fees kasi kasama na siya doon sa binook namin. And bangka darating sa Jetty Port. Sakay kami siguro ng bus going to Calibo. And after Calibo, that's the end of the yung transfer. Yung inabil natin na 900 pesos. For the convenience yun, guys, may mga ibang options na mas mura, but yun yung convenient. Yun yung convenience na hinahanap namin. Tinan mo. Hindi kami nahirapan. Baba you. Yan o. You ilaw you lang. You. Then. Baba you. We're at Cagban Port. And we're here at Cagban Port. Tayo lang yata ang darating dito.
Dito na tayo sa port. First time.
Ayan. Si Kuya ayaw lang yata sasakay. Walang naiwan. Bye bye Southwest. Thank you so much for the ride.
Yes, thank you.
Very
Southwest
convenient.
Tours.
Ito yung Southwest. Tayo yung last passenger. Uwing-uwi na sila. Yan si Kuya. Yeah, boarding na tayo. Okay, thank you. Ay, aray. O diba diretso? Akala ko pick. Ihipa naman ako. Okay, dito na ako dumayo. Okay. Okay. Ay, hindi kami doon. Dito kami. Ayan. Ayan. Okay, let's go. Aray. Ah. Aray. Ah. Thank you. Dalawang bagay. Ayan, nandito sila. Exclusive boat through Southwest Tours.
Southwest Tours.
Yes, you can. Yes, this is exclusive boat for Southwest, guys. Kaya mag Southwest tayo lagi. Pa mag Boracay transfers. Gabing-gabi na, last ano nila trip is 7 PM. Kami na pala yung last passengers for today. Ganda ng boat. Bilis natin. Kinuha ko matagal na. Sakit tayo.
Hindi pa Batangas po.
Ah, akala ko kasi nakasulat Batangas eh.
Ayun, no, Starlight Batangas. So, pa Batangas yung part na.
Ah, so okay. Akala ko sa Batangas tayo bilis natin.
Sa Batangas.
Ito yung mga speedboat na ano eh, mas mahal yung rate nito as far as I know eh. Exclusive. But since kami last passengers, we are the new VIPs. We're back in Katiklan.
Hindi ang priority na po.
Nakita nyo guys, di ba? Di na kami duman sa gitna, doon sa kagban ng environmental fees, transfer fees, boat fee. Diretso agad sa boat. Napaka-convenient.
Paano yung sasakyan nyo siya papuntang airport na po?
Ganda ng boat namin, no? Ayun, no? Thank you so much, Southwest. Ingat, Gia.
Isang oras ang
Okay, we're here.
Ayun na yung van.
Ayun na yung van. Grabe yan. Nasaan na yung mga tao? Naubos na sila. Kami na lang na pala natira.
Tayo na lang.
Grabe.
Thank you Southwest Tours.
Yes, always Southwest Tours.
Grabe.
Yeah.
Save talaga tayo ng Southwest Tours.
Oo nga eh.
Reliable guys.
Very reliable.
Napaka-reliable talaga mga Southwest nila.
Don't mind the little difference ng price.
Sobrang konti lang yung difference.
Oh, sobrang konti lang difference for the convenience, guys.
So, dito po kami.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
So, private van.
Private van tayo.
So, van tayo, hindi tayo bus ngayon.
In-expect namin
Pero
bus.
sure pa rin.
Oo.
Dahil konti lang yung...
Ikaw na nga iba-vlog ko.
Dahil konti lang yung mga sasakay, guys. Nangyari, van na lang tayo.
Oo.
So, ayun, waiting pa ata tayo sa other iba na ano, na passenger, or parang wala na. Alam ko tayo na lang inaantay.
Tayo na lang tayo natin.
Oo.
Ang alam ko eh.
Mas maaga pa nga tayo sa ano eh. Sa call time natin.
Oo. 6:45 tayo pinick up, 7 yung ano,
Oo.
Yung call time.
call
Oo,
time.
tama. Tayo nga nagantay. So, sorry
So
na.
yun guys, super reliable ang Southwest Tours.
Yes.
Mapa-holiday, ano mo, let's go Southwest. That's all. Thank you.
And don't forget to use our promo codes. Alright, we're here. We're here at Calibo International Airport. Thank you. Southwest Tours. Ito yung van niya, wala kayo. Alright, so that ends our trip from Boracay. Nakatulog ako sa van. mga 30 minutes o 45 minutes, but then again it's seamless. Dito lang kami sa Calibo Airport, and again so you can book Southwest transit from Boracay going to Calibo, either direct or preferably sa Klook kasi mas mura sa Klook, and you can further discount yung cost when you use our Klook promo code in Klook for an additional discount. Let's go. Hiningal na ako. Bye. Alright guys, dumating kami 9:30, it's already 12.
Ano mo
Yung
yun
2.5 hours sa pag-aantay,
Meron baka masira.
nakapagod pala. See you in Manila.